If you're wondering whether Cuco AI is the next game-changing tool for your business or personal projects, stick around because today, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released AI software. Trust me, you'll want to hear all of these points, especially if you're looking for cutting-edge tech to streamline your work or boost your productivity. Before we dive in, if you're interested, you can try Cuco AI completely free with the first link below. No strings attached. Now, let's jump right into it. Cuco AI is shaking up the digital landscape by offering some unique capabilities, but is it really as good as the hype? Here are the 7 key things you need to understand. First off, Cuco AI leverages natural language processing and machine learning to automate tasks that usually take hours, saving you valuable time. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or customer support, Cuco AI can learn and adapt to your needs. It's one of the easiest AI tools to get started with, perfect for anyone new to AI software, but still looking for powerful results. Another huge advantage is Cuco AI's user-friendly interface. It's designed for ease, with minimal setup required, making it ideal for people who want results without the steep learning curve. That said, it's not just for beginners. Advanced users will appreciate the level of customization available, allowing you to tweak the settings and use the AI in very specific ways. When it comes to tasks, Cuco AI is versatile. It's not just one trick. Whether you're looking for content generation, data analysis, customer interactions, or marketing automation, Cuco AI can handle it all. It's packed with features, but everything is intuitive enough that you won't feel overwhelmed. Plus, you can automate and streamline almost every aspect of your workflow, saving you both time and effort. Now, let's talk integration. Cuco AI smoothly connects with other software tools you probably already use. Whether it's CRM platforms or social media scheduling tools, it seamlessly fits into your existing ecosystem, making your life easier without needing to overhaul everything. One of the most impressive things about Cuco AI is how it handles personalization. It doesn't just apply a one-size-fits-all approach, it learns from your behavior and adapts. So, over time, Cuco AI gets smarter, delivering more relevant results, and even anticipating your needs based on past actions. This level of customization is a real game changer. Cuco AI also stands out when it comes to scalability. Whether you're a freelancer or part of a larger enterprise, this software can scale with you. As your business grows, Cuco AI can handle increased demands, making it a long-term solution that adapts to your needs. And perhaps the best part, Cuco AI provides real-time feedback. You're not left guessing about how well the AI is working for you. The analytics dashboard provides clear, actionable insights into how your tasks are progressing, giving you full visibility into performance. Now, let me remind you, if you want to try Cuco AI for free, just click the link below. This is a software that can truly transform the way you work, and I'd highly recommend giving it a shot if you're serious about leveraging AI in your business or personal projects. Lastly, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommended software options for various needs. They're all linked in the description below. Try them out for free and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the recommended AI software below.